Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is August 28, 2025, and we're diving into Movado Group's latest earnings report for the second quarter of fiscal 2026. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Movado Group, known for its iconic watch and jewelry brands, has just released their Q2 2026 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Movado Group reported net sales of $161.8 million for Q2 2026, up from $157 million last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The increase in net sales, which is a 3.1% rise, was primarily driven by strong performance in their licensed brands and company stores segment. However, it's worth noting that U.S. sales saw a slight decline, while international sales showed a robust increase of 6.9%.
And how about profitability?
Operating income rose to $4.0 million, with adjusted operating income at $7.0 million. This improvement is despite the challenges posed by tariffs and foreign exchange rates, which slightly impacted their gross margin, now at 54.1%.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Movado reported an EPS of 13 cents and an adjusted EPS of 23 cents. How does this compare to analyst expectations?
Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 31 cents, so the adjusted EPS of 23 cents fell short of expectations. However, it's important to consider the context of the market challenges and the company's strategic investments, which have impacted short-term earnings.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Movado has also announced a quarterly dividend of 35 cents per share. What does this indicate about their financial health and strategic priorities?
The dividend declaration, along with their strong cash position of $180.5 million and no debt, underscores Movado's commitment to returning value to shareholders. Additionally, they repurchased 100,000 shares, reflecting confidence in their long-term strategy.
How is Movado positioning itself in the market amid these challenges?
Movado is focusing on innovation and expanding their digital presence, particularly in international markets. Their strategy is to leverage their iconic brands and introduce new offerings to drive growth.
Risks and future outlook. Looking ahead, what are the key risks and opportunities for Movado?
Movado acknowledges the dynamic environment and ongoing tariff uncertainties. They are focusing on areas within their control, such as product innovation and market expansion. While they haven't provided a fiscal 2026 outlook, they remain confident in their long-term growth strategy.
Key takeaways. In summary, Movado Group has delivered a solid performance in Q2 2026, with increased net sales and a strong cash position. Despite missing EPS expectations, their strategic initiatives and market positioning remain robust. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Movado's focus on innovation and shareholder value is promising for the future.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Movado's performance in the comments below. Until next time.